vegetable lo mein with chicken. It's got some good flavor to it. You can taste the soy sauce. It's a little bit sweet, a little bit salty. The vegetables are still a little crispy, which I like. I don't like them mushy. They should be stir fried. See the broccoli, beautiful color. This one's quick and easy. Vegetable lo mein with chicken. Hello OFT family, welcome to this week's quick and easy meal. Today we are making vegetable lo mein with chicken. So first I have a pound of chicken that I thinly sliced in this bowl, okay? So to this bowl, you're gonna add just a little bit of cornstarch, okay? Just a little shake, because there's cornstarch in the sauce too. And I'll bat out of cornstarch. And about a tablespoon of soy sauce, okay? All right. And a little bit of cracked pepper, okay? And you're gonna let this chicken marinate for about 10 minutes while you let your water heat up and get it to a boil for your noodles. Now, you can use authentic lo mein noodles. They're egg noodles. I'm using ramen. I'm using these. I got these at Costco the other day, and these are the ones that I'm using, but you could use spaghetti, you could use fettuccine, you can use authentic lo mein noodles, whichever you like. So while this chicken is marinating, let's bring our water up to a boil and put our noodles in. Be back in a minute. Okay, our water has come up to a boil, so I'm going to add 8 ounces of the noodles. I'm using ramen. So this pan, I've been getting it hot. It's got a little bit of avocado oil in it. It's been 10 minutes since we marinated our chicken. So I'm gonna add that to the pan first. Okay. And this chicken was sliced very thin, so it will not take long for this to cook. And your noodles are going to cook for about 7 or 8 minutes. After about 3 minutes, take a fork and kind of separate the noodles a little bit. And then once my chicken is done, we'll be back to the next step. Okay, we are back. My chicken is done. So I'm going to remove this from the pan and put it in a bowl and set it aside. Okay, pull your chicken out, set that aside. Back in the pan, hit it with a little bit more neutral oil, add your garlic and your ginger. I have 2 cloves of garlic and just a little squirt of ginger. Add that to the pan and let that cook for just a few minutes before you add your veggies. I'm about to take the noodles out. Once you take the noodles out of the boiling water, drain them and rinse them to stop the cooking. And I will be back in a minute. Okay, we are back. I'm just sauteing a little bit of garlic and ginger. I can smell it. So at this point, you want to start adding your veggies. Now, you can use whatever veggies you like. Today, I am using carrots, mushrooms, sugar snap peas, and broccoli. Now you want to put these in the order that they cook the longest. So carrots take the longest. So put your carrots in, okay? Put those in first. Let them cook for just a few minutes before you add your other veggies. I have my heat just about medium, okay? Okay, we are back. Our carrots have been cooking for just a few minutes extra because they take the longest. I did cut mine very thin so it would shorten the cooking time. Next we are going to add our mushrooms. Okay. And these can go in at the same time because they about cook the same amount of time. Sugar snap peas and my broccoli. Okay. All right. Give these a swirl. And you may have to hit it with a little bit more oil because those mushrooms will soak up any bit of fat you put in this pan. Okay, so I'm gonna hit it with just a little bit more avocado oil. Get it nicely coated. Heat is still on medium. And let these guys cook for a minute. And while it does this, let's prepare the sauce. Okay? So, get your measuring cup. We've got 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay? We've got a tablespoon of white wine or rice wine vinegar. Okay? Got a tablespoon of water. We've got a tablespoon of hoisin. Go. And this is a very basic Asian type sauce with all the same flavors that we see a lot. Okay. Then we have a teaspoon of sesame oil. As I said before, sesame oil goes a long way. You only need a little bit. So that was a teaspoon. Okay. You have a tablespoon of sugar. And we have a half teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay. Whisk that up. Make sure everything's combined. And then we're going to set that aside and we will use it once the veggies are done, which should only take about 10 minutes. We are back. Our veggies are done. I'm going to re-add my chicken. Put the chicken back in. Okay. You could turn that down to low at this point. Add your sauce. Every bit in there. Let's get our noodles. Add our noodles in there. And you're just going to give this guy a big old toss. Make sure the noodles get coated in all the sauce. There we go. We'll be back for a taste test. Vegetable lo mein with chicken. This week's quick and easy. Let's give her a try. Chicken, trying to get my mushroom, get a carrot. That's pretty good lo mein for at home. It's got some good flavor to it. You can taste the soy sauce. It's a little bit sweet, a little bit salty. The vegetables are still a little crispy, which I like. I don't like them mushy. They should be stir fried. See the broccoli, beautiful color? This week's quick and easy. Vegetable lo mein with chicken. Make it with your family. As always, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.